Well, good evening to you. We've got a partly cloudy sky west and a cloudy sky to the east right now. Taking a look at areas down to the south at Overbrook, still mostly cloudy in Osage County. Mostly cloudy at Topeka as well with 70 degrees. Really struggling to warm up much today with east-northeast winds at 10 miles per hour. The high in Topeka 72. We've got areas in our western counties in the low 80s right now. And that is again because of the sunshine that's out 83 at Clay Center. 79 Junction City and Manhattan. 77 in Emporia. And this comes after some big rains fell across portions of the west central and southwestern counties early this morning. Some very heavy rainfall southwest of Emporia, northeast of Burlington as well. Now we've got dew points still fairly humid, low to mid 60s across the area, and that again a moderate amount of humidity may come down a little bit during the night. Future track shows this 1030 watches that shade of green you see on the map. That's a little bit higher humidity, kind of pushes west for the night. This is now 8 o'clock in the morning, and then it surges right back in. When the darker green showing up, that's even higher humidity, a little muggy by tomorrow afternoon as we begin the process of warming up. The temperatures by tomorrow morning and the low to a few mid 60s and then climbing up into the mid to upper 70s at lunchtime around noon on your Friday. Low to mid 80s east, mid to upper 80s west tomorrow afternoon. So very warm with that higher humidity in place as well. And then even warmer weather may come in just ahead of a front on Saturday. Upper 60s to near 70 in the morning. Mid-afternoon, we're up into the upper 80s. A front will come in, and that may trigger a few thunderstorms. But again, some warm weather out ahead of that. Here's a look at the satellite showing very clearly where the clouds have been hanging on from Shawnee to Jackson and eastern portions now of Nemaha County eastward. But sunny over the Flint Hills out toward Manhattan and Clay Center right now. So again, quite a contrast from one side of the viewing area to the other. We're tracking a couple of systems. One's the tropical moisture that's been flooding areas of the desert southwest, and then also tracking an upper level system coming in. This one will help push the cold front in. This moisture will likely miss us more to the south. And so while the two kind of come close enough to each other, what it'll look like on future track, going from clear conditions developing tonight, partly cloudy in the morning, clearing back out tomorrow. That's the setup for a warm Friday afternoon. We're still mostly clear into Saturday morning now, 6:30. But look at what happens later in the day. 3 o'clock, the front's pushing in. By 3 to 5 o'clock, showers and thunderstorms should develop right over the area and begin to push southward. And that's going to usher in some drier, cooler air, but it's also going to be our rain chance. That means not the whole day. There'll be plenty of time on Saturday without rainfall, but something to keep an eye on late in the day. 62 with scattered clouds developing again toward tomorrow morning. And then we clear back out and have mostly sunny skies and 85 for the high on Friday. 88 ahead of that storm chance. The best storm chance on Saturday is looking to be late afternoon and evening. We'll fall back to 81 on Sunday. Then we officially start fall and we're into the mid to upper 70s for Monday, Tuesday, and by Wednesday and Thursday rain chances start to once again creep back into the forecast at about a 20 to 30% chance for some of that rain. There's a look at the sunset near Milford Lake from Judy Woodward taken yesterday evening. Also a view near Lake Shawnee from Fred Betancourt, and a view of some of the clouds around the Olpe area from Greg Markowitz. That's one of those areas that picked up a couple inches of rain. We had some areas picking up 3 to 4 inches of rain in Coffee and parts of Lyon County. Some big hefty rain totals and a narrow band across the area.
It was very narrow, and in other places, not even a drop.
Yeah, and most of the area got not even a drop.
Yeah. Thanks, Matt.